how do you juggle trying to update a book like this when technology is moving at lightning speed, like with battery technology, for example? The tech is moving so fast, and sometimes for me it feels like as an installer, the regs are lagging way behind.
It's the same with standardisation across the board, because entrepreneurs come out with new inventions, and very quickly you'll see these products everywhere, particularly coming in from other countries. How do you keep on top of them? Well, BS7671 does have, it's on chapter 12, but it's section 120. And it's 120.3, which allows you to deviate, if you like. These are intended departures. So a straightforward departure from BS7671 would be you haven't installed an RCD when you should have done. That's a departure, you haven't thought about it. But an intended departure is when you intend to depart from BS7671 and you make a declaration, I've done something different, but ultimately the safety is still as it would have been if I'd gone down the conventional route. So with new equipment coming through, and it might be something you've invented in your shed, for example. It might be something that, but you get my point, as an entrepreneur, you could come up with something. So it does, standardisation takes a long time to get there, and particularly where the goalposts are moving and technology is coming in and things are changing so quickly. It's not helpful, of course, to installers, but that is the answer.
Well, it just means we've got to know our stuff, and the onus is on us, I guess, if we're doing any kind of departures, to make sure that whatever we're fitting is safe and compliant.
Absolutely, yes. Don't forget to pre-order your copy of BS7671, and you can get it from the iet.org/get-the-regs. And pre-orders available now until the publication date of the 15th of April 2026.